This is not just a video, it's a secret intelligence hack that was never meant for you to see. Most people will go their entire lives without unlocking their full brain potential. They stay stuck in a cycle of distraction, weak thinking, and emotional reactions, but there's a way out. This isn't some random self improvement trick, it's the same method used by high level masterminds, the people who control the game. By the end of this video, you'll have a dangerous advantage over anyone else, but be warned. Once you see this, you can't unsee it. So let's begin. Chapter number 1: The Unseen Rule of Intelligence. This theory states that true intelligence comes from removing, not adding. Most people try to become smarter by trampling information, but Ayano Koji style intelligence comes from eliminating useless thoughts. The biggest mistake: thinking too much about what doesn't matter. Your brain has limited cognitive energy every day. If you waste it on pointless gossip, mindless scrolling, or overthinking trivial issues, you drain your mental power before it's even needed. The true masterminds of the world have mastered mental minimalism, keeping only what's necessary in their minds and discarding everything else. Cut out the mental noise, gossip, useless social media distraction. The less mental clutter, the more clarity you gain. When your mind is a weapon, when your mind is empty, it becomes a weapon. To apply this theory in your real life, do a mental audit. Before absorbing any new information, ask, how does this add value to my goals? If not, ignore it. Practice cognitive fasting. Spend 30 minutes a day in silence, thinking about what truly matters. Eliminate 3 distractions today. Block unnecessary content, mute useless group chats, and reduce pointless entertainment. Chapter number 2: The Dead Eyes Technique, Emotional Shutdown Protocol. Koji's power isn't just intelligence, it's emotional control. The world is built on emotional reactions, but true masterminds never let emotions dictate their actions. People fail in arguments, business, and life because they act on impulse rather than strategy. The Dead Eyes Technique is about detaching from emotions at will. How to actually train your mind for this? Observe instead of reacting. When someone insults you, don't respond, just watch. Practice delayed emotion. Allow yourself to feel things later, not in the moment. If something angers you, wait 24 hours before responding. Think like a chess player. Every move has consequences. Before reacting, think, what's the smartest move? Training your emotional numbness will prevent you from being controlled by others' words and actions. Master this and you'll notice people will respect you more because they can't manipulate your emotions. Chapter number 3: The Ghost Mode Strategy, Social Invisibility. Ayano Koji doesn't seek attention, yet he controls the game from the shadows. This is called Ghost Mode, where you observe, analyze, and strike only when necessary. Most people waste energy trying to be noticed, while true masterminds use silence as a weapon. How to apply this? How to apply this Ghost Mode in your real life? Stop announcing your plans. Let results speak for themselves. Be unpredictable. When people can't read you, they fear you. Listen 80%, speak 20%, gather information, then act when it matters. Become socially invisible when needed. Train yourself to blend into any environment by observing before speaking. When you move in silence, people will underestimate you, giving you the upper hand in any situation. Chapter number 4: The Chessboard Mindset, Critical Thinking Upgrade. Most people think in straight lines, but Ayano Koji thinks in layers. This is the chessboard mindset, always seeking multiple moves ahead. How to train it? Play mental chess. Predict people's action before they actually happen in real life. Always ask, what's the hidden agenda? If every situation has an unseen play. Develop counter moves. Before making a decision, ask, how will they react? What's my next step? This mindset allows you to manipulate outcomes, making you an unseen force in every situation. Never play checkers in a world of chess. Always think beyond the obvious. Most people watch videos and change nothing, but if you are serious about unlocking your real intelligence, start applying these techniques today. Let me know in the comments which hack will you use first. If you want more mind-altering or knowledge, subscribe now for more videos. And also I have a little surprise for you which is in the top link in the description. Check it out if you are serious about your brain. Thank you and peace.